Hey guys, so I did a video before where I tested out a hair dryer, and I kind of liked what it did. So we're gonna do one where I'm gonna use the hair dryer to push around the paint. And this is these are Floetrol paints, Artist Loft Floetrolics, mixed with Floetrol and water. Floetrol is a paint conditioner. It helps the paint flow and move around. And we're going to use some of the primary colors. This is like a bluey green though. I'm going to throw some of my blue flash in here because I really like how that came out in the last painting. It kind of gives it a purple tint. And then we'll go ahead with some black. And the blue flash, just so you know, is the name of the color. The paint is called Color Shift paint. So we're going to go ahead and we're not going to flip cup this. I'm going to just pour it out. Okay. That's actually too much paint in my cup, so I'll save this paint for later. And then turn your volume down or off, because we're going to go ahead and we're going to blow this around with a hairdryer, which is pretty loud. And I have no control over how loud it is. So here we go. So far so good. I'm going to flip this around. All right, here we go. I'm going to flip it one more time. Alright, I think that's good. Now, interesting note here is it did muddy up the colors a bit. It definitely mixed them kind of all together. But definitely a kind of cool and different effect. Oh, let me center that a bit better. Alright, so as usual, we'll let this sit here for a bit and then we'll go ahead and come in for the close-up. Okay, so we do have definitely some cell action happening. I mean, some were naturally created already, but there's definitely some popping up. I like the wispiness over here, and it's kind of a cool contrast. We'll go ahead and we'll go in for the close-up. So here's the wispy kind of area. Pretty cool. And then we got some little cells popping up through here. This is where some black is coming up through here. I mean, you can definitely tell the colors, you know, as I was blowing. And depending on where I blew the most, I think it got pretty mixed. But I still like it. It's not too muddied that you can't see what colors were in there. You know, you can still see the reds and the greens and the blues. So overall, definitely interesting. So the only thing about the hairdryer, it is kind of difficult to control. So I think maybe on a bigger surface, it would work quite well. This is just a little 8x10 canvas. But either way, I hope you enjoyed this. You know, play around with it. It's fun. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.